Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Lindsford, centrally located in Fort Myers. This is 4418 Dutchess. It's part of the villa line of homes that you're going to find here at Lindsford. This is the Cambridge floor plan. You're going to get 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a den, and just a hair over 1,500 square foot. You do have the side entry here into your villa, although on a regular basis you're most likely going to enter in and out through your garage. Here at the front entry you do have a screened in area, which is nice. Ring doorbell here as well, and let's run inside and take a look. So as you walk inside the Cambridge villa, to the left is the den area. So it is a true den. There is no closet, but it is big enough to utilize as a 3rd bedroom space if you like. And then here to the left side, you have the open kitchen area with the island, the granite countertops, stainless appliance package. You got the nice white cabinets. Here you do have your pantry closet, plenty of storage space in here. Just off the kitchen, you have the guest bedroom here with the walk-in style closet, and the guest bath just off of that as well. Here featured with the singular sink, the commode, and you have a combination tub and shower. Now right off of the kitchen area, you have the entry to the garage and your laundry space here. So you have plenty of storage above your washer and dryer, and it is plumbed here for utility sink. And one thing to notice here in the garage, you have a screen door here added, which is a nice feature, and then you have additional storage right here in the garage, as well as up in your attic space there's additional storage there. Now coming back towards the main area of the home, you've got the living spaces directly straight ahead off your kitchen here. So right here where you see this fixture, this is about where you're going to have your dining room table, and then over on this wall is where you're going to have your TV set up and your living spaces right here as well. Now, last but not least, on the interior, we have the primary bedroom, the owner's suite. Really nice size space here, nice and bright with the big windows. We've got 2 closets here. Both are walk-in style. This one's a little bit larger, and the one across from us here has some additional storage on the walls. And then we have the primary bath with the dual sinks, the commode, and now we have a glass enclosed shower. Last thing on this villa home is the exterior living spaces. So out here on your lanai, you're going to have a nice view of the backyard space, and it's nice and private back here as well with this extended lanai. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.